Hi children, Namaste. Okay, in yesterday's homework, I hope you were all finished that. I told you to read and practice those definitions of the second lesson. It was the homework of yesterday. I hope you were all finished that well. And let us go to the exercise part of that second lesson today. Please look at your screen, all of you. Before going to the exercise part, I am going to remind you what are all the things we have learned in this second chapter. Okay, later we can go for the exercise part. Please look at your screen, all of you. Yes, these are all the things we have learned in this lesson. What is the definition of the atlas? Atlas means what? That we learned. A book of maps is called an atlas. Second, globe. A model of the earth is called a globe. Model of the earth or true model of the earth is called globe. Next one, you can go to the next one, third one, map. What is a map? Okay, it is map, a drawing of the earth or drawing of the whole earth or part of it, or some part of the earth also we can draw on a flat surface. It is called a map. We are calling it a map. And next one is oceans. Oceans, a huge water body. Huge is nothing but big. Big water bodies are called oceans. Next, continents. Continent means a large land mass or large areas of land are called continents. We are calling them. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents on our earth. And how many oceans are there? There are 4 oceans on our earth. These are all the things we have learnt in our previous class. Next, let us recall. Here also you can see a globe is a model of the earth. They repeated again those things. And now map. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface that we learned. Next, the 4 main oceans on the earth are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean, one more Arctic Ocean. And the 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents. Then come to last point. To know the directions, we can use a compass. Why we want compass? Compass is a watch-like thing. Okay, it is like a watch. We need that one to know the directions. There are 4 main directions and 4 sub-directions. Main 4 directions are east, west, north, south. The needle, magnetic needle in the compass, always it will be indicating northern direction, north direction only. It will be always showing north direction, that needle. It is the quality of that magnetic needle. And why it is like that? I told you to ask your science teacher. Okay, you can ask science Didi, why it will be always showing that northern direction only, Didi, magnetic needle of the compass. Like that, if you ask it to your science Didi, she will explain to you nicely, more than me. Okay, okay. I hope you will ask that one. Okay, let us go to the exercise part of this second chapter now. Okay, yeah, here come this. Think and answer. Tick the correct answers or tick the right answer. You can look at this. Yes, please look at this, all of you. A, tick the right answer. First question, the largest ocean is, which is the largest ocean? There are 3 options here, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Which is the largest ocean among these? So can you guess? Yes, you have learnt it and I gave this point in the explanation part. It is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Second, a book of maps is called a or an. A book of maps. So, beginning of this today's class, I told you in that word power, what is an atlas? Okay. Atlas means a book of maps is called an atlas. Okay. So, where it is atlas, A-T-L-A-S. Yes, option first, and other second option is dictionary, and third option is album. So, those are wrong. Correct answer is atlas. Okay. So, first answer is Pacific Ocean, second one is atlas. Third one, the shape of the globe is dash. So, I gave that picture of the globe in my previous class. What it was in which shape? Did you see? Was it in the round shape or square shape or oval shape? Can you guess? Yes, it is round only. Yes, the shape of the globe is round, and also the shape of our earth is round, and the model of our earth is globe. It will be in round shape only. The shape of the globe is round. Okay. Then let us go to the fourth, tick the correct answer. Okay. Please look at it. Fourth one. Water bodies on a map are shown in the dash. Water bodies, oceans, they given in which color? They given in which color? Those all the water bodies? Black color, blue color or green color? Yes, can you guess? Yes, answer is blue color. So, water bodies on earth will be given in blue color only. Always blue color will be used to show the water bodies on the earth. Last one, the smallest continent is. Which is the smallest continent? So, they asked here. They given three options here. One is Africa, second one is Australia, third one is Europe. So, the smallest continent is Australia, and the largest continent is Asia, and the smallest continent is Australia. Okay. Then go to the, let us go to the B part, B main. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. If they are wrong, we need to mention their F. If they are right, we need to mention their T. Okay. First one. Look at that first one. I will read out. A globe is a model. A globe is a drawing of the earth. A globe is a drawing of the earth. Is it true or false? You just guess it and tell, think it and tell. Globe is a drawing of the earth. Correct? What is globe then? Globe is a model of the earth, but they given here drawing of the earth. So, first one is false. First one is false. Second, a map is a model of the earth. A map is a model of the earth. What I gave you in that explanation part, a map is a drawing I told, but here they given model of the earth. Model of the earth is globe, drawing of the earth is map. So, second one also it is false. So, second one also false. First one false, second one false. Third one, oceans are huge water bodies. Huge means big or large. Okay, oceans are huge water bodies. S, it is true. Okay, huge water bodies are called as oceans. We are calling them oceans. How many oceans are there? 4 oceans are there. So, they are huge water bodies. Third one is true. Fourth one, there are 8 continents in the world. How many continents are there in the world? Can you guess? Can you think? Yes, how much I told? Yes, I told 7, but they given here 8. There are 8 continents in the world. Whether this sentence is correct, statement is correct or wrong? Yes, it is wrong. So, it is false sentence. Fourth one is false. Fifth, Asia is the smallest continent. Asia continent is there, na? It is the smallest continent in the world. Is it right or wrong? Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. I explained to you. Okay, while I was explaining that lesson, I told that Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. But they given here Asia is the smallest continent. Is it right or wrong? Can you guess? Yes, it is wrong sentence, false sentence. F you have to write. Fifth one is false. Last one, sixth you can go for it. There are four directions. Mainly there are four directions. Correct or wrong? Yes, it is true. Sixth one is true. There are four directions. One is east, two is west, third one is north, and fourth one is south. There are four main directions, or mainly there are four directions. Okay, east, west, north, and south. Okay, so B main is over. Now go to D main. C main I will give you those question and answers later in my next class. Now D main, here you can come here. Match the following. Match the following. Okay, here are this side are pictures and this side are their names. We have to match these names with these pictures. Okay, so please look at those. Atlas. Atlas means what? A book of maps. Where is the book of maps in these four images? Yes, option B. Okay, option B is correct. First one is option B. Okay, next, second one. Globe. Where is globe? Model of the earth is called a globe. Where is globe? Option A. Option A is correct. Second one is option A. Okay, next, third one. Compass. Where is compass here? Compass. It is like a watch. We are using that one to know the directions. Yes, it is. Third one is D. Compass. Clear? And last one it is there. World map. World map means whole earth will be drawn on this flat surface. That is called world map. Means total world will be there on that flat surface. It is world map. It is one is remained here, that is C. World map. It is world map. So are these clear? So complete these in your textbook, all of you, and later next page, in the next page itself there is an activity. You can look at this, children, very good activity for you. You can do this one tomorrow morning. So just I will explain to you today. Here you just stand facing sun in the morning. It means toward the sun in the morning side, where you will be toward that sun only you need to stand, and you face toward the sun and stand. And now after standing to the facing of sun, you have to answer for these questions, four questions, A, B, C, D. Okay, first one. Now you are facing to the sun and you tell me that which direction are you facing in the morning. It means you just keep it in your mind that you are standing in the morning, not in the afternoon time or not in the evening time. Morning time you are facing the sun and standing, and you guess that, you tell that which direction are you facing. Which direction are you facing? Can you guess? And you write here which direction that is, you write here. Second one, which direction is towards your left hand? Now you show your left hand. Okay, towards your left hand you show, and you just tell that which direction it is. When you are facing to the sun in the morning and your left side, which direction is there, you mention in that second column. And now your right side, right hand, your right side is which direction, that you have to mention in the third blank. And fourth blank you mention that which direction is at your back side. You are facing the sun now. Okay, now you are behind, your back side, which direction it is. So you have to mention it here. Is it clear, children? It is first. This activity can be done in the morning. Tomorrow morning you can do this. Okay, by doing that activity you can fill these blanks. Okay, the second one also, one of the important question is that now that compass, okay, watch like instrument, that is compass. So you hold that compass, you see that always that needle of the compass will be showing which direction I told. Can you tell? Yes, you are right. Always the needle of the compass will be showing the north direction. Okay, north direction. It is showing northern part always. So you hold that needle in your hand, and it will be showing, that needle will be showing which direction always? North direction. You face toward the north direction. Okay, you face toward the north direction, that needle will be showing north. And now which direction will be on your left? Now you show your left hand facing toward the north direction. It means you facing toward the north direction, you show your left hand, and left side which direction will come to your left, which direction is there, that name you have to mention it, the name of that direction you need to write here. Second one, which direction will be on your right? Your right side. Now left side is which direction you need to mention here, and your right side which direction is there you need to write here. You can do this anytime. Compass, you don't worry about compass, you ask your parents which is north direction, they will tell you, and toward the north direction you can face and show your left hand, and which direction will be there in the left you have to write here, and to the right direction which direction will be there, that you have to mention in the second blank. And last blank, which direction will be behind you, your back side, it is which direction is there, your back side, that you have to mention in the third column, third blank. I hope I am clear about these all. Please take care of you children and complete these all the tasks in your textbook. Okay, if you don't know, you don't worry, I will send these answers to your WhatsApp group. You try first yourself, you try to answer for these all the questions by seeing this video. Okay, so I hope I am clear. Take care of you all, and in my next class I will give you questions and answers of this second lesson. Okay, bye, have a nice day.